Hey guys, welcome to Let's Learn ServiceNow. Let me introduce myself. I'm Gabriel. I have totally 6 plus years of experience in IT and in ServiceNow development. I have 3 plus years of experience. The objective of this channel is to learn ServiceNow development easily. The only prerequisite needed before entering into the ServiceNow topics is you guys should need at least some knowledge on what is ServiceNow and why organizations are using it. Today we are going to see how to create a personal development instance of ServiceNow. The personal development instance in ServiceNow is like a playground where you can practice and try different things without worrying about messing up the real system that your company uses. So to create a personal development instance, we need to go to this URL, which is developer.servicenow.com. Let me go to this URL. So in this URL, I have logged in, opened the URL. So here we need to give sign up and start building. And we need to fill these details. Let me give my channel name, your personal email ID. You can give a personal one, and the password details. And then need to give this I'm not a robot, and I need to check in this, and then we need to sign up. So this is a ServiceNow ID has been created for you with the ServiceNow our email, and we need to verify it. So I have verified my email ID from which I have got it, and then the page looks like this. Here we need to select I need a guidance experience, so I need a developer oriented ID. So yes, do you code? Yes, we need to give yes. And what describes your job? You just give developer, a designer, other. Okay, not so we can remove the other. Then we can give finish setup. Yeah, now we will be seeing this page. So where we can see a request instance, we need to give request for instance first. So I'll be clicking on the request. So it will take some few seconds to get a new instance. Let's wait for that some time. So after a few seconds, we can see from here that release for Washington DC version, we have got the instance. Yeah, now you can see that our instance is ready, and our instance URL is there, our username and the password. You can just copy this and save it somewhere, and you can click on open instance to open our instance. So it will give these things. I can give agree, and yeah, this is our personal development instance. So here only we are going to explore. As I mentioned, the personal development instance in ServiceNow is like a playground. We can practice. It's a safe space for learning, testing new ideas. We can make mistakes without consequences. You can use it to learn how to use ServiceNow, and we can experiment on with ServiceNow. We can even learn new things and new ideas, and we can share it with the team. So this is where we can do. This is the URL for me which they have given. It will be different for you. So yeah, this is our personal development instance. You can explore until our next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe, comment, and let me know what are the topics, what doubts you're having. I will explain it to you in the comment or in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, guys.